So dear traders, this is a test. This video is especially about trading, how to trade best with the Renko charts, what I'm using since over 3 years now. And before beginning with that, I will show you also what Renko charts are for novice traders and also those who have no experience or less experience with Renko charts. Secondly, what is the difference between Renko bars and classic candles? Then I will show you the same chart but different look on Heikin-Nashi or bars, and the same trading on the Renko bars. Then the next chapter is about what is a scalper and why Renko bars can help them making better profits in the business. And of course, day trader settings rules for buy long trades, day trader settings rules for short sell trades, and of course long and short Renko 1 to 3 setup examples, and at least also some more tools that can help you to improve your system here, especially with moving averages. What number of moving averages are working best here, and what special tools can help us to get better results. So here we begin. The first part is what's the difference between Renko bars and typical charts what we use in our daily trading day. We have here, as you can see, the typical Renko chart, which is important to know that it's really easy to see the nice movements. The Renko bars are not based on time increments as with the classic candlestick on your chart, for example, as you know. And it doesn't matter if the price moves only 1 or 100 pips per hour or day or month. You will see one new candle of price increases. It's very price sensitive. So the Renko bars count only ticks or pips, but continuously, and you can actually set Renko bars up yourself and are able to choose the number of ticks which are desired. If you click, for example, here on a chart, then you will see here a source. We have first of all the closing prices, right? And then we have OHLC prices. There is not too much different of that, but important is that we have here traditional. If we put traditional, for example, we can also adjust then our box size, right? This is the numbers of ticks, or it works better with indices, for example. They are taking 500, 600,000 tips every day. So we can also set here the Renko charts, different numbers from 1 to 100. If we put here, for example, 1, you see here we have a different movement of 1 ATR. This is the same, like so. If we see, for example, 13, then we have only 4 bricks here. Because see, I'll make it a little bit bigger, then you have better understanding. So it's not 24. You see, we have here, for example, guys, see this area, for example. Now we see here better ups and downs, for example, right? What happens if I do it here? Then we see here this nice movement. So double bottom, right? And clear here to see where is Australian dollar going. By the way, this is the chart of Australian dollar versus the US dollar. As you can see, I am long in this market, right? I use, because I'm long-term trade trader on daily chart, I am using the maximum, the 100, which is much more robust, because the prices are moving much more slowly but better, right? So therefore, if you set up your chart, for example, to different formations, you have also there's a possibility to compare. If you open a classic candle chart with Heikin Nashi, with bar chart, as I can show you here, this is, for example, candles. You see here, we have a lot of noise here. Then if we use the bar charts, you see we have another picture here, much more smoother, right? Heikin Nashi, for example, the classic Heikin Nashi is much more smoother to see, okay, much more greens. And then point and figure, the market moves only if the highest high of the last month is increasing or not, you see. But it is much more difficult to trade, for example, on this chart than on this chart, because we see here we have very clean movements. We can here adjust, okay, here we have clear tops, here we have clear tops, here we have clear downs or lows. So here we have, for example, the double bottom of the market. So it makes our life a little easier. As we are here now on a daily chart, Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar, where the price is at 105,950. Well, here, okay, on a daily chart, I will show you first what's the difference. We are using different kinds of trading systems, and most of them are wonderful trading systems. I am using currently more than 20 different Renko dependent and Renko independent trading systems, meaning with Renko and without Renko. And many of them are giving very nice, very good results, right? The key of trading any kind of trading system is discipline. Once you decide yourself for a trading system, stick to that. And of course, the ultimate goal is the same, right? Okay, we see here, for example, we are now in this wonderful chart of Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar, right? I have here also a program that's giving me the buy sell signals, right? So I switch it off here. Okay, that way. All right. So now, typically, if traders want to take part of it, well, the simplest is, for example, using trend lines, right? We see here, we combine the swing highs, we then combine here. So now we know possible swing highs and swing lows, and we want to decide where the market is currently and where the market will go next, right? From this point of view of the past price action analysis, we see that the market fell here up to this line here. Now I can also take this one here. Had no force, no bull power. Fell here, 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 a big move. Here, 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 here. So that way. And currently is the market here, right? Okay. From here to this point, I see no problem because we can combine this swing hose also, and from here we see that we have a clear long signal. The market went up and then boom, fell again. So everybody who was long went short. What happened? The market rose again. They had their stops already here. The market came down again. They were happy. The market went up again, near of their stops. It came down, and then they see, oh, higher lows, and now they go long again. They put a stop. They have to take this potential move here with loss. On the other side, they have been taking this potential move here, while people who stood long here, they had their stops here, here, and here. They are now happy because maybe they are in good profit. And special again, these moves, the so-called bull trap, and I've been identifying all the time these bull traps, and at the beginning I was very angry because I lost a lot of money there. Before then I studied this price action of bull traps, and when it does happen, it happened for example to S&P 500 3 years ago, where the market rose up very fast and everybody was long, and the market fell another 23%, and it was a huge profit zone. Okay, whatever. This is a typical day trading range what we have here, and well, that's really, really, really great. Okay. Then it is the most simple, trading system what we have here on these charts. And then I discovered for myself the Renko charts. I don't know how it was, but it's many, many years ago. And I was really, really fascinated with that. I will show you now. This is the same chart of currently Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar, one of the most attractive and most heaviest forex markets. Because if your system is working in this market, then it will work in almost 90% of all markets. Because here are many gold traders, many currency traders, many interest rates traders, many commodity traders, many carry traders, and so this market is really always up and down. worldwide people mess themselves with this market. So that's really one of the most heaviest markets to trade, if you know what kind of system you know. And to know that, you need to have, and I have developed to myself, two different kind of systems. All systems that are trading trends, systems that are trading systems that are trading only sidewalls or consolidations, and systems that tell me not to take action no more. And that's exactly what we have already in this market. The most special point you need to understand is that this market always, because especially in currency markets, we have different kinds of fundamentals. Currently, inflation, depression, recession, jobless claims, fundamental economic data, and so on. And I believe that all of this information are, of course, in the current price we can see. What really makes this kind of trading interesting is that we are all looking where the market will go next and what will happen, how can I put my profit target, where should I put my profit target, where is my stop loss, is there any trading system with the highest level of profitability, is there any trading system that's giving me a high profit factor, a net profit factor, the lowest maximum drawdown of the account, what kind of trade has the best average bars in trades or average trades, right? And at least percent of profitable total close trades. The best thing, the holy grail, 100% of profit. So this is something we are looking for, but I can assure that there is no system that's promising you such a lot of wonderful words, but it doesn't guarantee that, because any kind of system that does not produce losses is not existing. So guys, you need to keep careful and to put your stop loss. And before I go personally in the market, and that was one of the reasons I have chosen really the best possible trade. Renko trade is of one of the most important trading steps and also trading basis of my own trading system is that I am looking, before I go into the market, of course, where the market is going to, and of course for entries, for the best possible entries. But you can enter the market anytime you want. This is the first one. The second is, what will happen if your system is not working? If you have a good, really the best possible trading system, trend trading system of the world, but it does not work in consolidations, or you have the best possible scalper system, breakout system of the world, but it's not working in trending systems, right? So therefore, I was looking for different possibilities of exits, right? So my trading system is a stop loss trading system, a trading system that's based specially on exits, as many exits as I can find, and that will make me happy if I can improve that system. Before I go into the market, I need exits, many things, as many exits as I can. That way I can optimize my capital and money management system, and that's key to me. If you have a really, really good working money management system, then you are on the best part of the market. You really are, on a very good positive side of the market. Money management is key, is A and O, is the key to your long-term success. And be familiar with stop loss is to see your stop losses or stop loss orders as your best friends that are giving you warnings, that are telling you, don't go in the market, get out of the market, now closer, now it's time to take profit, now it's time to wait, right? And that's exactly a real, very good and best friend is doing. So back to our chart, we see here again Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So you see I have already marked my stop loss order at 1052.52. By this, I will count first of all these bars, right? You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And at this moment, it seems to be similar to the turtle trading system, a breakout system, a very long-term breakout system that's telling me, all right, so go long if the market is breaking the last 20 periods, highest high of the last one, and go short if the market, for example, breaks that level. The system is working still now. Rates between 10, 15 to sometimes 30 or 40 or 1 year, 80% of year are possible. But we have seen that there are also a lot of lags in this market. So the next one, it is now similar. I'm not using the turtle trading system, I'm using something else, but I want first of all to show you what happens here. The question is now today where the market will go on. In this chart we cannot see that, right? So we cannot see. Will the market continue to go here? I am long, I believe the market will go up. Will the market move again to this one? Why I'm saying that? Because we have a red candle. Or will the market go to this side? Maybe we have a this movement like this. Yes, we don't know. So, but that's really, really possible to have that already. Okay. So as you can see now, this is another chart. British pound sterling against the US dollar. I have decided to take this trend. I will show you the chart of British pound sterling. This is British pound sterling. So I will first of all show you the Heikin Nashi on the right side. Here we have the Renko chart, and here we have the Heikin Nashi chart, right? So the classic chart. I go first here. Okay, I will show you first of all, because on the same time, of course, I'm trading both charts, because sometimes, we are emotional, and our emotions are, and greed, fear are real enemies. So we have to release them. So I show you now, you see here, another chart what I have included in this chart. So, and this chart is I don't know if it can tells me, so I make it a little bit smaller. Okay, this is smooth candles dynamic. You can include it here, right? So I will switch it off first. I show you now what is working also really good here. Smooth candles dynamic chart. So this is my real Heikin Nashi. Okay, make it a little bit bigger for you. Right, this chart here. This is the real Heikin Nashi. All right. So we see the typical candles. You should know, and this is the dynamic smooth candles, which is making the candles longer to their real support resistance levels, and it's typical similar to Renko chart. It makes the chart a little bit, it takes much more noise out of this Heikin Nashi and other charts, candlesticks, what we know. And you see here, when the market is increasing, the chart color is green. You can also make it pink or blue or white or whatever. And when the market is going down, we are in short position, then the market is in red. All right. So then I have some other indicators with this smooth chart. If I click on that, oh yeah, very nice. This is the smooth candles. So the method is dynamic, right? So I will show you now what will happen if we change that to percentage. Then we see here the percentage we have, then we see both. We see the Heikin Nashi candles, and we see on the same time 0.1%. Here you have the percentage number, 0.1% change of the color or of the candles. Okay, so I put it a little bit more down to 0.1 default. That's showing me best. Then I have just EMA 200 moving average length. Okay, and on the other side, then if we take it out, you see we have the typical. We see again our real Heikin Nashi chart. So smooth candles body, and we have then EMA 1. I take it out because I don't need it. I check it again. EMA 1 is the 50 line. All right. So this is the first one. The second indicators I have is, now I make it zoom in again. All right. So then I use two additional moving averages. The red one, we see here the red one, the orange one, this is this one, and this is the green one. Yes, very nice. So my orange line is the EMA 200 of the last 9 days. So if you use EMA, you can also, well, let's say what will happen if I use the last 10 hours. And we see here the orange moves. The prices are moving below 200 moving average, but over 200 moving average of the last 10 hours. How about 16 hours? The price has broken also 16 hours. And 22 hours. Yeah, broke also 23 hours. Gets here, exactly. And the 200 moving average of the last 2 days, yes, we have broken. So in this case, we don't necessarily need to wait until the price has broken our 200 daily moving average, because the price already is over 200 moving average of the last 2 days. And 3 days and 4 days and 6 days, and I put it back again, of the last 9 days, right? 9 days. I wait. This is my first profit target, as you can see here, something about, because if the market breaks over 200 moving average of the last 9 days, typically the market will start a real stronger uptrend. Then we have here the green line. This is my weekly 200 moving average, and we see here clearly British pound sterling is over weekly 200 moving average, reaching now daily moving average of 200, and going for 9 days 200 moving average, which is a good sign that we can take long positions. And as you can see, after breaking here, we went long, and the market is rewarding us currently with $1,680 for just one contract, what is really nice. All right. Then I have included another indicator, and this indicator is the good old ADX and DI default. I have changed the midline level to 28. Typically, if the market, if this white curve we see is moving against over 28 line, a 25 line, so the market is strengthening. We are still strengthening, because I have put this now a little bit much more higher to be sure, more sure. That means the trend is becoming much more power, much more bulls are coming into the market, much more sellers or short traders are taking profits, or their stop losses has been hit. They are out of market, and they will come again into the market. The next indicator is one of my favorites, MACD. Here the cross, and we see here the long-term signal. This one, where you can read long, the green one, right? So this is this one. For long term, I have checked over years many numbers, and the MACD crossover, my MACD crossover is now at 377.24. It's giving me the best results, working for all kinds of markets, much more. You can also make your own experiments. Then here's a really good indicator for smart money. You see here, we have a midline, we have red lines, and we have green lines. Once the market, the green line is over zero line, that means smart money is coming into business, right? And this is the Forex JF trend separate window. Then I have here smooth chant trend score, which is helping a lot and giving another confirmation. Once the market is over zero, the that means the market is starting to break or to finish its sidewards trend and consolidation. Once the market has reached already +4, it's a good value. If we have reached already 8, that means the trend strength is confirming, and 10 means the market is really before exploding. And the last one here, the last indicator I use here is yield curve inversion of 1 hour. I put it now to daily. Okay, and we say it's exactly the same. So once the market is green and over 10, it means that the currency is taking profit, and that's based on coming on current inflation that different central banks are shortly before hiking interest rates, and good interest rates is good for British pound sterling because more investors are putting their money in British pound sterling. So, and now I want to introduce at this level of this video a very good channel, a 10-star channel of traders community. Well, I know you know already that channel, but I want to recommend the channel highly because this channel is one of the best, most value contenting holding channels of trading communities I have discovered many months ago, and I am a big fan of this channel. And well, you exactly know whom I'm talking about, but watch yourself.
For a couple of ideas for improvement, and now it's time to do what I do. Much more impressive. What score would you give this strategy? Let me know in the comments below. I give this system a trader's landing score of 8. Very powerful, and that is volume divergence. When you combine price and volume, you are taking a cue from the most famous traders in history.
So we're talking here about traders landing, very high quality, maybe the best one in internet. I can say after so many years, that's wonderful to have this channel, this traders landing in our trading community. Exactly, that's it. You can become one of the best possible traders if you have a clear system, stick to that system, and this channel makes it possible. So we are now on his page, traders landing. So we see here wonderful videos. That's a bond of high quality trading, improving videos. Watching many videos, but this channel is just wow. Fantastic channel, fantastic system, and personally I'm using near my own system with Renko also some other systems learned from traders landing. Go crush the subscribe button, share this channel. You can hear also have some information what he's doing. It's dedicated to assisting traders in becoming profitable by focusing on education and backtesting strategies. We learn what to expect from a specific trading system over series numbers and numerous trades. This enables us to keep a psychological and profitable edge in the market. This channel will illustrate the process of being a successful trader by testing indicator system and strategies and much more. Traders landing. That's wonderful. So if you are there, you can also go to his website. The website is here, Traders Landing Net. Fantastic web. We see here, you're on home. Here you have then the videos, right? So it's about the community here again. You have anything, right? Then we have here tools. For example, here backtesting spreadsheet. It's what I really like about this channel. See here, very nice. So, and if you click on that, last time I was here, I think, test results. I think it was this one. Yeah, here, that's it. So you see here, if you scroll it down, okay, you go here on tool, backtesting, and then test result, this one, okay? And we have here the title link, for example, wow, triple super trend. And I have to say, I like super trend. I have already tested this instrument. I'm using them with my other systems, but this video is especially about Renko. And he clearly tells you what kind of indicators do you need. For example, here, super trend volume strategy, you need stochastic RSI, then EMA, TSV, triple super trends. That's all, right? The instrument was tested, euro versus dollar, time frame is 1 hour, dynamic was 1-to-1, while then win rate was 75%, test was 100, then test length over 15 months, 1.5 year, right? Then we have here awesome indicators, for example. So I scroll it down. So I have tested many of them. They are fantastic. So explode profit, divergence, hidden divergence. I'm using hidden divergence too with RSI, one of my favorites. And yes, this for Dominion. Here, this one, super trend DMA intraday trading on crypto forex stock with super trend 130%. Look at this, amazing results, right? The triple system, triple super trend trading, fantastic. So you have numerous different strategies he is testing. Then pivot super trend I'm using too. In this video I'm going also to show you how do I use the DSI indicator. Then that was the hit. One of my accounts was minus with I think around minus 54%, because I'm not using only Renko, also other strategies. And with this one, in a couple of weeks, I was up to plus 75% from minus 54%. So that's really, really amazing. Very, very nice website. I hope you will subscribe his channel, and also if you like, subscribe my channel, Traders Landing. Thank you very much for so much enthusiasm. And you know, these people are real traders because you know them if they are desired and they share their results with all the community, and they want all of us, to make money. As Richard Dennis, the founder of Trader Trading System, said in 1980, I can give you the best possible ultimate trading system, but only few will be able to generate profits. And that's true, because you need to stick to all rules and with highest amount of discipline. And without discipline, no money management, it is not possible. Even, with this system, you will produce losses if you don't stick to the rules. And now is the second part. This is the first part of the video. In the next video, I'm going to show you now how I do use real Renkos and what tricks I can show you, how you can also project with 90% of probability where is the price tomorrow or where is the price next. Have a good day.